Good morning, dear students. Today I am here to tell you about the complaint letter. Earlier also I have discussed in my previous video. One more topic I have taken today. So first of all I am recapitulating it. In the top left corner, sender's address in 3 lines, then space, then date. Pattern is the month, date, comma and year. Then space, then receiver's address again in 3 lines. Then space, then subject in 1 line. Then space, then salutation, and without giving space, we need to start body of the letter. It is divided into 3 parts, that is introduction, problems, hope or request. At last, complimentary close, name and designation if you have any. So first of all, on the top left corner, that is sender's address. It will be ours address, then space, then date, then again space. Here I have taken topic, that is complaint against a fungus infected bread, right? So this is personal, again we are doing it, and we'll be taking the address of the receiver, that is the customer care manager, because I as a customer I'm writing the letter to customer care manager, the name of the company, the city. After that, dear sir, and we will be writing the subject, that is complaint against a fungus infected piece of bread, you can say a bread packet, you can say. So you can write your name, that is I am whomsoever you are, the head of chemistry department of government college for girls, means you can write who you are. So full stop. I happen to buy a packet of bread, then you can write the name of the place from where you bought, the address of there, like this road and this city yesterday morning, and the big shopkeepers are giving a receipt also against it, the cash memo number, this sad product. Next paragraph, now you can tell what are the problems you faced. On opening the bread, I found it soggy, fungus, it was infected and stinking. It was quite shocking, as you are amongst the most renowned bakers of, you can write any city, whatever you want. In the next paragraph, you can tell that what you decided to do and what you are doing. I had half a mind to complain about it in the consumer forum, and however I refrained it from doing it, so that it would tarnish your reputation. It will spoil their reputation, means you don't want to spoil it by giving this complaint in consumer forum, so you are telling them directly. Next paragraph, however, I would definitely like the company to offer an apology, comma, destroy the entire lot of bread and withdraw it from the market. You should apologize, you should destroy the entire lot which was in fungus, you should withdraw it from market, and also compensate me adequately for putting me to a lot of inconvenience. It doesn't matter the bread was of only 35 or 50 rupees, but it can spoil the entire image, the image of the company. In the next line, after leaving a gap, hoping to hear from you soon, yours truly and whomsoever you are. Here I am ending up my video. We'll meet you in the next. Thank you. Have a nice day, you all.